How to reverse payment on Absa. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about learning to reverse a payment using the Absa. So now let's get started. You can go ahead and open your Absa application, or you can also go to the website, that is absa.co.za, and hit enter. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now log into your Absa online banking account on the Absa website by clicking on the login at the top right corner of the screen. And once logged in, go to the menu and select Transact. From the options provided, click on My Debit Orders and select the specific account that was used for the debit order payment. Find the debit order you want to reverse and then select Stop and Reverse. Confirm that you want to reverse the payment and choose the reason for the reversal. Accept any disclaimer shown and then click on Next to continue. When prompted, accept the verification request to confirm the reversal, and after successfully completing the verification, the debit order will be reversed. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can reverse the payment on Absa. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.